Hey families, I just wanted to check in about health a little bit. I've gotten a lot of questions about mostly how to work with the health program. It does provide us with some challenges, so I thought we could just kind of look at it quickly and figure out how to outsmart their system. So I have logged into health. I'm in Accelerated Ed. Mine might look slightly different because it is the teacher's version, but this week we are in Unit 5, Lesson 2, Verbal and Nonverbal Communication. So I'm going to click here on 5.2. It's going to take me to the checklist page, and you can look down through. It just kind of explains what you're doing. I like to use these along the top to work my way through the lesson. I clicked lesson. There's two choices, multimedia lesson or text version. If you click multimedia, it will take you
Have
to
you
the
ever
lesson
seen someone
itself.
sitting on the side of a playground with their arms
So
folded
here you can
and their head
hear
down?
that, this is the little video that it talks your child through.
If you
Now
saw
I'm going to
someone sitting this
close
way,
this. Um, After you listen to the whole lesson, you're going to go to the quiz. Now, if you click on quiz, it just reminds you that you have to take a quiz. It doesn't take you to the actual quiz itself. Here's the brain activity, the brain exercise. This people have been asking about. You can do this however works best for your family. If you and your child talk about this, this week, it's how do people know when you are happy? How do they know if you're sad? So if you want to have your child do a writing about this, you can submit the writing. If you want to have your child just talk to you about it, you can use the text box and just kind of type in what you talked about. Or if you want to do a video or a voice recording and submit that through Accelerate Ed, you can do that too. Okay, whatever works for you is totally fine with me. The next thing, we're in brain exercise. The next thing is the assignment. So this is where we've been having a lot of issues also. Um, I'm on a school computer. I am in Google Chrome as my web browser. When I tried opening the rich text format, it won't even open for me. So you're going to click on the Word document. Now mine come here to the bottom and open, and I've kind of been working in this one. So what you're supposed to be able to do is take these pictures and slide them up into where they go. If I click on them, I get this error message. So what we're going to do is figure out how to do it without coming up with the error message. So I think the easiest way to go about it is if you come up here to the top, you have all these tools in Word. Click on Draw. When you're in Draw, it gives you these options for different pens and markers. You can pick whatever one you want. And all you're going to do is have your kiddo, or you can even help them with this, just draw a line from the picture to the box. So this guy here is our happy face. So I'm going to just draw a line to happy. This one is excited. I'm going to draw a line up here to excited. This one is exhausted, and so on. When you are done, you can go all the way up to the top, which is not going to let you see it on mine, but I have File at the top. I'm going to click File, and I'm going to click Save As. And I don't know if you can see this or not right now. I hope you can. Now I have a lot of stuff on my computer, but if you go to Desktop, just click Desktop, and then you can put, let's say, Marley's Health 5.2. We'll pretend Marley made this. Okay, you can type it in and then click save, and you'll be able to find it right on your desktop. Alrighty. Then down here, let's see. There's that. All right. If I click my next activity button, here, I think this is where you can submit, and I can't submit through the teacher one. This is where you can submit your happy or sad. If I keep going through here at the bottom is where you submit the worksheet that we just did. Okay, and again, I can't submit through the teacher version. And then the last thing it will take you to is the quiz. For the quiz, you just hit start. Do you want to start now? Yes. read the questions, answer them. Now I'm not going to actually read them. I'm just going to click my way through it to save some time. And when you are all done, there we go. Submit all answers. Submit. It will tell you how you did. And it will automatically upload that grade into the gradebook. All right. So that is kind of how we're going to work our way through health. I'll take a peek over the weekend at next week's health assignment and see if that works a little bit better and what we can do to work our way around it. All right. Thanks so much for your patience as we all figure this out. And I look forward to seeing what your kiddos come up with. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.